Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my first Halloween look, and I'm really excited because I've been thinking about doing this look for a while, even though it hasn't been anywhere close to like Halloween time, but I think I'm ready. I think I'm going to I have like 3 other looks in mind that I want to do. They're all like completely different. And I think I'm gonna do at least 4. So I might do one each Saturday of October. So I'm really excited. And if you hear any banging in the background, there are people working at my house and it's really annoying. So I might just make this video a voiceover just so you don't have to hear it. So today's video, I'm gonna be transforming into Barbie. I have the wig and everything. I bought the wig from Amazon, and that's why my hair is like all slicked back kind of. I don't know how to French braid, so I'm not gonna braid it. I'm just gonna leave it like this. The wig is not anything expensive, so it doesn't look real. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so starting off this look, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Blemish Control primer, and it is green just to help with any reds that I have on my face. And now for foundation, I'm going to be using my Bounce foundation by Beauty Blender, and then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible and just mix those. Now for concealer, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and just concealing places that need to be concealed. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on. Now for contouring, I'm going to go in with this contour stick, and I have no idea where I got this from. I have 2 of them and I don't know where I got them from, so yeah, I'm just gonna blend that out. And now for blush, I'm going to be taking this really pinky one by Miss A. And if you guys don't know what that is, I really suggest that you go to their website. It's called Shop Miss A, and they have really cheap stuff, but it is really good. Now I'm just going to be, not concealing, I'm going to powder my under eyes and then anywhere else that needs to be powdered. Now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow pencil and just do my eyebrows. Now going in with my Morphe Hit the Lights palette, I'm going to be taking, what am I going in with? I'm going to go with this lighter brown shade and just work that into my crease. Now I'm going to take this really hot pink color and I'm just going to also work this into my crease and blend it out. Now I'm just taking some makeup remover with a Q-tip and I'm just going to clean up like my eyelid part because that's where I'm going to put the gems. So I want it to be completely cleared off. Now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and put mascara on, and then I'm going to pop some false lashes on too. Now I'm just going to go in with these pink gems and just put it along my crease. Yeah, my crease, and just follow that line. Now going back with that pink color, I'm just going to work this on my waterline and then bring it down to my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to take this hot pink eyeliner and I'm just going to put it on my waterline to make the look pop a little bit more. And then I'm going to go in with my mascara and just put this on my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to go in again with this liner and I'm going to put it on my lips because I don't have a lip liner this color, so it'll work. And now for lipstick, I'm going in with my Anastasia. This came like in a pack of minis, so I'm just using the hot pink color. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna go try and put this wig on and see how that works, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the wig. It's kind of cheap looking, but whatever. It works, and I feel like I'm about to go stalk someone because I don't look like myself. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make. Make sure to stay tuned for my next Halloween video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.